Alright, this is the second video we're making here at 707 North 66th. I still haven't double checked that, but I believe we're at North 66th. So we had made a video previously. There is the DVD sitting on my towel right there, showing that the line was clogged around 40 feet. So I was able to get it unclogged using this cable machine right here. Cable machine into the clean out. So now we're going to take a look at what caused the clog. So I got the cable in there still because I kind of wanted to get an idea of exactly where the clog had occurred. And give us an idea of how we want to tackle it. So dropping underwater there. Flat spot. That's part of that flat spot there. 25 feet. We get back into having grade. It's a little flat through there. Again. Okay, so it had a massive amount of buildup right here at this spot, which is, again, flat. So I can't see anything. So the line is very flat. I have a skid on the camera that's propping it up about an inch, probably 2 inches off of the surface of the floor, surface of the bottom of the pipe, and it's still over half my camera. So it's very flat through this section, and I'm running into, I can feel some kind of an obstruction in here, but I cannot see what it is. There's a lot of toilet paper built up on my cable. Let me try this. I'm going to pull the cable out and then run the camera again and see if we can't see better. I got to root it all on the end of my cable. No, I just got a bunch of toilet paper. Okay, let me pull the cable out and see if we can see any better with the cable out of the line. With me for a minute or two while I pull this cable all the way out. And then we'll go back in and see if I can't see anything. I'm going to run some water while I do this, try to flush out as much as I can. So I've got the water from the hose going down the hole while I'm bringing the cable back. So essentially I'm switching up everything in the line with the cable while the hose is acting to flush it down. That's the idea anyway. Cable machine. so we're just getting the cable all the way out of the machine. Hopefully you fast forwarded the last 45 seconds, 2 minutes. Oh. Okay. Cable is back out of the line. Get that out of the way. Okay, so we're going into the line now. I'm going to turn off this hose. So I got a hose running right now. That's all that water you see flying down the pipe. Turn that hose off so we can see. We'll give that a second to trickle down out of the pipe. Okay. Oh, hopefully we can get a better picture of the line. Okay, so the pipe is broken right there. See that hole on the right side of the pipe? There is no longer any pipe there at all. The concrete has deteriorated and broken away. It was hard to see that on the first trip down. Pretty clear now. And then it goes back into plastic for a stretch here. So it looks like somebody's been repairing this pipe in spurts. So repair a little piece, back into old concrete. This concrete is super rough. I wouldn't be surprised if the bottom is worn out and completely gone in some of this sections. We are ducking underwater here due to a flat part of the pipe. And it has some rock and dirt buildup in the pipe. So I wouldn't be surprised if both of those concrete sections are starting to fail. If not, well, one of them's definitely failed, and the other one looks like it could be in the process of it. You see these old clay seams are holding together okay, and this old clay pipe's holding up. Right here at 34 feet, you're going to see this pool of water in front of us. We're going to duck under that water, and I can't see anything past then last time we went down until we pop out the other side. So I wouldn't be surprised if there's a section, there's definitely a section of flattened out pipe right before there. And that's the Bob Oates repair. So Bob Oates repair, liner, here's the liner that we installed. The 4-inch liner, and then we go into a 6-inch repair and a 6-inch liner. So the liner looks to be holding up in really good shape. The Bob Oates repair looks to be holding up in good shape. It's that, geez, that's a long liner. And there is the city main. So, I'm going to come back again to that section that we got clogged in right before the initial Bob Oates repair, around 38 to 40 feet. Okay, so it's going to be right up here. So there's a 4-inch liner, there's a 4-inch repair. Two-way clean out. And into concrete here. So this is where the clog occurred, is right before the Bob Oates repair. You're going to see we're going to duck majorly underwater, and I can't see anything in there. I can't tell if something started to fail in there. It doesn't seem like a root's in there. It just seems like we're starting to fall. The pipe's starting to fail. That concrete is falling apart throughout this pipe. So I'm guessing there might be a concrete stretch that's falling apart in there that I can't see, or the clay has shifted and caused a major flat spot. But I would recommend getting that repaired. I will wrap up the video here and give the homeowner David a call and talk about what I found. Okay, that's it for me today.